I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, and today I have with me Business Development Manager Shane Hitchcock. In this video, we're going to be talking about Ringba's white labeling tool. Shane, how does Ringba's white labeling feature improve branding?
Hey Jordan, happy to be here. All right, let's show you a little bit about white labels here. So using Ringba's white label service, you can completely personalize and brand your entire Ringba platform with your company's logo and brand and color scheme. That way, any publishers or buyers that log in, from all intents and purposes, it's going to look like they're logging into your portal. So to show you what that looks like here, you're going to navigate to settings and then white label here on the left side. You can either set this up as a friendly name domain or through a C name and host this on your own website. I can come in here and I can adjust the entire color scheme, make adjustments here to the colors, right? You can set this up exactly what you want it to look like, customize it completely, and I can even upload my logo here at the top.
Thanks, Shane. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.